What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop, back with another video. Hey man, as y'all already know, guys, I sprayed my running bows the other day, maybe last week. And hey, first thing I want to say, y'all see it, man. Your boy got a new microphone, y'all. So if y'all notice a little quality difference in the audio, man, please jump down and hit that like button for your boy, man. But besides that, y'all, back to where we at. Like I said, y'all know last week, guys, I sprayed these running boards and they came out immaculate, man. So today, you know, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna do this back piece. Actually, let me turn this camera around for you guys so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so as y'all see, I done sprayed these running boards and it came out pretty good. No, that's just footprints. But today, I told y'all I'm actually be hitting this here back, so y'all can see how this paint back here all chipped out and stuff. So we gonna be hitting this here today, guys. And y'all already know. If y'all been watching my videos, man, y'all already know. I got that cane sitting in the sun. We're gonna be using the same thing that we use to spray the running boards, guys. We're gonna be using a Herculiner. Same thing. Get the same results. And like I say, guys, the running board is just dusty right now. But we gonna get y'all cut back on. So first I'm gonna just start taping it off, guys. So let me lay some tape down. First you wanna just, well, if your paint sort of like mine, you wanna just scuff it down. But I don't have a scuff pad, y'all know me, man. So I went and got something my girl be using. And we gonna use this here, guys, just to scuff it down. So you want to go ahead and get your scuff pad if you got a little flaking in your paint. But if you don't have a scuff pad, get you something that's just gonna take away them flaky edges. So I'm gonna do this here, guys, and I'll cut y'all back on with the next step. Alright, guys, so as y'all can see, I done taped off the back bumper because I'm actually I'm gonna sand all this here down as well, this whole little strip. So I just take that off, so when I'm actually scuffing that down, I don't scuff my bumper. So you guys wanna make sure you tape off your bumper if you're gonna scuff this back piece right here. Be very careful with it. But as y'all can see, I done already started scuffing the top. And I told y'all, man, don't y'all judge me. I couldn't get a scuffing pad, so y'all know me. I had to use my wife fingernail scuffer. So yeah, whatever, you know, whatever it takes to do the job. But y'all can see, I done already scuffed this side, and the right side hasn't been touched. So you want it to look somewhat like this here, guys. You want all the little paint chipping, you want that to be smooth. So when you start to applying that what you call them, that Herculiner, it's gonna lay down just like we did the running boards, guys. So I'm gonna scuff this here right side down, and I'll cut y'all right back on. Alright, guys, so I done finished scuffing it down. And right now, I'm just wiping it down with some of my wife's acetone. Trying to get all the debris off of it, things like that. But y'all can see, guys, I got the back nicely prepped. All take down. And I done scuffed it down real good, guys. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe it down with this here acetone. Get all that grime out of it. And I'll start spraying right after this here, guys. And as y'all already know, I got my Herculiner chilling in the sun, guys. So for right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab my Herculiner and I'm gonna start the spraying process, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. Walk over here. Oh man, can nice and warm. Can nice and warm, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, same thing I did with these running boards. I'm gonna start it off by spraying a couple of light coats, guys. You wanna take your time right now and just spray like 1 to 2 light coats on this back. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. Let me get this can open and spray this here first coat. Alright, y'all. So I done sprayed my first coat. I'm gonna put that first coat down, guys. So far, so good. So we're gonna let this here dry, and I'm gonna hit it maybe 2 or 3 more times. But as y'all can see, just that one coat got them looking real fresh. And like I said, guys, we're using a Herculiner. That's what we're using. Same thing that I used on the running boards, guys. If you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. First coat. And I sprayed these running boards probably about a week ago, and I've been jumping in and out of it, guys. And as you can see, it haven't had any flaking, cracking, chipping, nothing like that. But I'll keep y'all updated though. But for right now, it still look like it did when I sprayed it, guys. So that's why I went with the Herculiner on the back as well. But yeah, guys, I'm testing out this new microphone as well. So if the audio sound pretty good, y'all let your boy know. And I got some more stuff coming. I got these here little grills at the bottom. They're on the way. But check her out, guys. I'm gonna bring you around this back one more time. I know a lot of y'all probably wondering what this little wire is. But that wire, that go to my LED sign that I got from Perp Glow, guys. Y'all go check them out. Perp Gang on IG. But as y'all see, this is what you want to go with. It's better than paint. I don't knock paint, but it's better than paint. It's a little bit durable, more durable than just the average paint. So if you're thinking about painting these silk back steps as well as your side steps, make sure you spray it with some Herculiner. And y'all know it's all in the prep. So y'all want to prep them real good. Make sure y'all scuff them real well. But like I told y'all, I didn't have a scuff pad. So I used my wife little pad for her nail. But it's dead. I'll throw it away after this. So I'm gonna let this seal dry, and I'm gonna come and spray the second coat on. Y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, y'all, so I done sprayed this second coat, guys. So we got the second coat down. As y'all can see, coming along real good, guys. So what you want to do is just keep spraying until it become the finish that you like, guys. But y'all can see this is just the second coat, and I'm gonna actually spray it at least 2 more times. So I'm gonna let it dry out, and I'll cut y'all back on for the third coat. It may be the final coat. It all depends on how it looks after I spray it. No problem, sir. But I might just do this here 1 more coat, and after that I'll see if I want to do a 4th coat. But I know most likely I'm gonna do a 4th coat, just because I want it to be durable. And I don't actually get in the back of this truck, guys. You know, I raised it up and I'm tall enough to kind of reach whatever it is I'm reaching for. So I don't think I have my footprints on the back of this like I have on the running boards. But who knows, guys? So that's probably why I'm gonna spray 4 coats, just to guarantee if I ever jump in and out the truck, it'll be straight. So I'll cut you guys back on in a hot second, man. We're gonna let this sit dry, and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, guys, so while this here dry, I decided I'd give y'all a little quick cold start. Got the Viper 5607V. At the bottom, we currently had a 3.5, I think it's a 4-inch tip muffler, resonator delete. Let me know what y'all think, guys. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Quick cold start, guys, while it's drying down. Y'all jump down in the comments, leave me a comment. Y'all let me know how it sounds. That's muffler and resonator delete, guys. So yeah, that's just a little quick cold starter for y'all, man. y'all jump down in the comments right now. Leave your boy a comment. How y'all think she sound? Muffler resonated delete. 3.5, 4-inch tip. We gonna cut off, guys, and get back to the business. I finished it up. And that's it, man. So that's what I try to tell y'all. Y'all just take y'all time. You'll be able to do it right. But if you come out here and rush it, then you're gonna have to take it off and do it again. So take y'all time. From the beginning, it might seem like it's a lot of work, but it's not, man. You're just looking at a back bumper. Take your 5 minutes, scuff it down real quick. Take you another 5 minutes, wipe it down. Take you another 10 minutes, spraying it. Man, you're looking at 20 minutes. You can get it done in 20 minutes. But yeah, I'll cut y'all back on when I pull all this here tape off once it dries. Okay, guys, so yeah, I done wrapped it up, man. I done took off all my little newspaper and took up all the tape. So what y'all think, guys? And it's still drying right now. So we're gonna let that dry. Y'all can see. Got that nice and sprayed, guys. So that's what y'all want to do. And I'm gonna put my back hatch down. I'm gonna show y'all how it look with it down. Now keep in mind, guys, it's kind of still tacky, so it's still dry. But if you can see, man, that shit look fresh. What's up with it? It look fresh, y'all. So y'all can see, man, we got rid of them ashy running boards, and we got rid of this here ashy back step. I'm gonna back up for y'all. Y'all can see, man, it never looked like this shit from afar, guys. It always been ashy, man. Y'all can see. It's nice and dark. Y'all are looking right, man. So if y'all enjoyed this here video, guys, man, I appreciate it if y'all jump down into the comments, leave me a fire comment, leave your boy a nice thumbs up, and make sure that y'all subscribe to the page. Most definitely, man. Like I say, guys, man, I apologize for the giveaway. I told you I was doing the giveaway on the 15th, but I apologize, man. Something came up, and I will continue the giveaway Friday, guys. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. But it's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stops, logging on, signing out. Everybody have a blessed day. Y'all remember positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we'll catch y'all again. See ya.